A 17-year-old Canton girl sits in juvenile court, charged with the murder of a Sylvania Township woman and tampering with evidence. She'll face a judge again on June 1st and could face even more charges in federal court.
There's discussion with respect to just a separate murder charge with an underlying felonious assault. There's the potential for at least 3 additional charges.
And the juvenile prosecutors are currently filing paperwork to charge her as an adult. It's a seismic turn of events. Less than 2 weeks before, this girl wasn't even a suspect. Originally, the U.S. Marshals were looking for her as a missing person, allegedly last seen with 33-year-old Nicole Jones, a man wanted for charges of child endangerment and pandering obscene material. The pair were later found in Mexico. At this time, their relationship still remains unclear. Meanwhile, in Sylvania Township, police began investigating a home belonging to Jones's mother, Nicole Jones, with evidence suggesting something had happened to the woman. By May 13th, it was revealed that a juvenile had been charged with her murder, and on the 17th, it was further detailed to be the same girl that had disappeared with Jones' son. But how and why are still unclear.
That's what we're trying to find out. Motive, what specifically she did or didn't do, how much of what happened was as a result of her planning or Jonathan Jones's planning. Those sorts of details we're still trying to iron out.
They say a key factor was a confession from the teen, but those details can't be shared yet either.
I wish I could. I have not had it provided to me by those agents and have not had a chance to review any of it. Again, it's early in the process.
Meanwhile, Jones's body is yet to be found. As for this 17-year-old, both local juvenile judges have recused themselves in the case, and a traveling judge is expected to take over in 2 weeks. Prosecutors say the next meeting should give them a chance to begin answering key questions.
Have the reports been provided? Do we have scientific evidence? Is there still scientific evidence that needs to be turned over? Crime scene sorts of things. And that's the information we need to review at this point in order to decide how much of it we're going to use, how much of it is relevant, how much of it is not.
For WTOL 11, I'm Michael Sandlin.